Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today's video, easy omelets, very simple. We have 3 eggs that are beaten. We have pepper jack cheese, oil of your choice, herbs of your choice, but I got parsley and scallion. Simple, pepper, and some spicy adobo. Very, very, very simple. All right. 1 pan, preheated, and let's go. Make sure you have a very, very, very nice pan. So this is just a green pan, but any non-stick nice pan will do. All right, get about a teaspoon of oil. Get the pan nice and coated, medium heat. Heat up a pinch of scallions, about 1 ounce. Then the egg. Ounce of parsley. Two shakes of adobo. And about 4 turns of the pepper. All you want to do is let the egg form, and you go from out to in. Very simple. Out to in. Out to in. That's real simple. Just hit the north, south, east, west, and you're good. Very, 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 very simple. And you just keep doing that till the omelet base is formed. Okay. Once that's formed and your eggs can fully move from the pan, you can either flip the egg, which is something that's just repetition will teach you, or you can use your spatula and just, scoot it over. Doesn't matter. All right, at this point, turn your heat off. Let the eggs finish. Take your cheese. Oh, 1 slice or 2 slices, depending on how much you, or you could just take the 1 slice, break it in half. Simple. Then look, flip this bad boy over like so. Simple. See that? You're done. That's easy. Very, very easy. Take a nice, very beautiful plate. Slide that so. That's it. You're done. Easy. Take some more parsley just for, presentation type purposes. Maybe a little scallion too as well. And, very, very easy. Very, very simple. A little more peppers on top, just for the look. And that is your very easy pepper jack cheese omelet. In under 5 minutes, I might add. So I'm just showing a very simple way of doing this, and good quality dish, but you don't necessarily have to go to somewhere and pay $10 for it. You can do it at your house for maybe $3. Anyway, JV Spice, JV Mr. Spice. quick and easy omelet video. Happy holidays. Later.